Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to install Node.js on Windows operating system. Node.js is a powerful JavaScript framework that allows us to build server-side applications and more. So let's get started. The first step is to download the Node.js installer for Windows. To do this, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the official Node.js website, which is nodejs.org. On the home page, you will see a big green button that says Download for Windows. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the download button, you will taken up a new page. You can choose between the LTS long-term support version and the current version of Node.js. If you were new to Node.js, it's generally recommended to go with the Node.js version and it's more stable. Click on the LTS version to start the downloading. Once the installer executable file is downloaded, locate the file in your downloads folder or wherever you save it. Double-click on the file to run the installer. A Windows security prompt might appear. Just click Run to proceed. The Node.js setup wizard will now guide you through the installation process. Click Next on the welcome screen. You will then be presented with a license agreement. Read through it if you did like. Then click Next if you agree. You will now be asked to choose the destination folder for the Node.js installation. The default location is usually fine, so you can just click Next here. Now you can choose the components you want to install. Generally, it's recommended to keep the default selection checked, which include Node.js runtime. Click Next to continue. Then setup wizard is now ready to install Node.js on your screen. Just click the install button to begin the installation process. Great job. The installation process might take a minute or two. Once it's completed, you will see a completing the Node.js setup wizard. Leave the box checked if you did like to have npm node package manager automatically open after the installation. Then click finish. That's it. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up or subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.